How to choose the right business. Choosing the right business idea can be daunting, but there are several steps you can take to make an informed decision. First, identify your skills and interests. To begin the process of selecting a business idea, evaluate your personal skills, expertise, and areas of interest. Seek out business concepts that are in line with your aptitudes and passions. Doing so can assist you in maintaining a high level of drive and concentration as you work towards establishing a thriving business. Next, research the market. Before pursuing a business idea, it is crucial to conduct market research to determine its potential for success. This involves analyzing market gaps, studying your competition, and identifying potential customers. By gaining insight into the demand for your product or service, you can better position your business for success. Next, evaluate the profitability. Consider the potential profitability of your business idea. Estimate your startup costs, operating expenses, and revenue projections. Make sure your business idea has the potential to generate enough revenue to cover your expenses and make a profit. Next, assess the risks. Evaluate the potential risks and challenges associated with your business idea. Consider factors such as market competition, legal and regulatory requirements, and the potential impact of economic downturns or other external factors. Seek advice and feedback. Consult with experienced entrepreneurs, industry experts, or business mentors to get their feedback and insights on your business idea. This can help you identify potential pitfalls and fine-tune your business plan. Consider your lifestyle. Consider your personal lifestyle goals and how your business idea will impact your work-life balance, income, and overall quality of life. Ultimately, the key to choosing the right business idea is to take a strategic and thoughtful approach. By considering your skills, interests, market demand, profitability, risks, and lifestyle goals, you can increase your chances of building a successful and sustainable business.